Everyone's tired, no? Everyone's like, because I feel like the past 3 days, ngayon pa lang yung you feel it.
May Bisaya, may Chabacano, may Tagalog, may Muslim. Mas nga yun.
Yes. Yes. Ito. Ate, oh. Okay. Mas okay to. Mas safe. I'm fine. I made a joke because I know that I'm in here now. When I left the house, I you saw me. You saw my swimsuit. I'm fine. I'm fine. Lagaan ko lang din sa riba.
Yung marka mo yung good thing para hindi mo magamit. Magiging dull na siya.
Tulog sa labas mo. Para malamig.
Malamig ba?
Malamig dito. Malamig dito.
Saan?
Sa labas.
Ang init. Mainit pa.
Si Predator, oh. Si Predator. Di ba tapos na yung breakout?
Oh my gosh, the good thing.
Madumi na siya. I'm still in my pajamas. I haven't showered. We all haven't showered. And I'm still in my pajamas. Me too. I changed into more pajamas. Your shorts are very short, McCoy.
From Edward.
Huh?
It's from Edward.
Edward.
It's not
Why?
mine.
You don't have?
Dirty na lahat.
How many did you bring?
Four.
Four lang?
It's laundry pa iba.
You don't have jeans.
Meron. 2 lang.
Pang bakasyon lang yung dala niya. Talaga.
Hindi, ate kami ni Nico eh.
Ah, sa isang maleta? That's crazy.
3 days, 2 days.
Dapat roll niya ba yung gamit niyo?
Naka-roll na.
I have like probably 8 pairs of jeans. There's so many clothes. Fashion clothes ng girls. Boys is
Gusto ko yung luggage ng mga teens.
It's too small.
Maliit lang.
Yeah, you can't fit nothing in there. I want your luggage. It's big. What do you have? It's a bit smaller than yours. Oh. But, yeah, almost the same size. Yeah, I have so many clothes in there. They don't even fit me. The ones they gave us. They didn't give us anything. You Van Dutch? That's not fair. But it's okay. All the ones they gave me don't fit, so it's like nothing. But it's okay because we were only here for like 2 weeks. Makes sense. If you had a superpower, what would you want?
Saan nakakabili ng mat na ganun sa ano?
So you wanna be Hulk?
Alin?
Yung mat na nandun.
Superman.
Mat na ano?
Dun.
Saan?
Sa, ano, activity area. Yung pinaglalaro nating mat.
Ah,
I want like Phoenix.
Palengke.
hindi.
You can like
Fast?
no like
Parang laruan.
so anything you imagine you can
Toy
do it.
Kingdom.
Parang mga ganun.
Meron doon.
Okay, so pang mga gym.
In the sky, I can do it.
Talaga, is there a real superhero like that?
Phoenix, I think, from X-Men. She like, there's nothing here, and she just walks, cause she controls with her mind. She's like Professor X, pero more powerful.
I think she can do anything.
Exactly. If I can imagine that I'm strong, I can be strong.
Yeah. Also,
So that's the best. What did you guys eat?
Yung,
hopya.
You can eat once you get it.
But like, we'll share everything. Gusto ko nang kainin noodles.
Boy, mamaya na po. Hintayin mo kumadlak.
Ano nakuha niyo, Makoy?
huwag ka na matulog yung. Pag natulog ka, kakainin na ni Elise.
Hindi. Tilis, ano yun mo kanina? Isingin mo.
Ano nakuha niyo, Makoy?
Wala ano.
Noodles din.
Ha?
Noodles din.
Noodles?
Sila din.
Noodles din kayo? Isa lang kayo? Noodles din.
Siomay naman.
Kami same kami ni Kuya Tano.
Asyoman. Pero yung horoscope,
Ano, word? Ano namin?
Kaya sa inyo?
no, kasi...
Kaya sa inyo?
Hindi.
You know what McCoy says? Listen, when it comes to relationships, take one step at a time and do not be in a hurry to get committed.
That is for Nico. That's why, ano.
Nico already has a baby.
Tignan ko, ano,
That's for you, man.
Ewan ba? Then, nabasa ko na rin akin, sabi sa akin ni Mami, ano daw, wag daw mag-business. Tapos, wag daw magpapadalos-dalos. Tapos,
noodles din, oh.
Saan mo nabasa yan?
wag daw, parang kung ano daw ginawa ko last year, gawin ko lang daw ngayon.
It says relationship.
Hindi, ikaw yung mga ginawa ko last year, parang,
Oo, yung ligaw kaya no, kaya Dennis.
wala pa Nico.
Yung ligaw kaya Dennis.
Walang relationship sa horoscope
When it comes to
namin.
relationships, take one step at a time and a backflip.
Rolling.
One step at a time and a backflip. And do, ano to? Tuck jump.
Our January is going to say fall in love and enjoy it.
And do
Take a
not be...
vacation.
And get married.
And
And
meet
have
a
10
stranger.
years.
Shotgun wedding!
Before my eggs die.
Oh my god, we can't talk about eggs.
Hindi mo pa sinasagot.
My eggs are all gone.
Committed nandito nakalagay.
Sabi ko,
Not be in a hurry to get committed. Oh. Hindi pa sinasagot. Sinagot ka na ba?
What does yours say, Johnny?
todo ano na sa'yo.
Not yet. I did not.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Johnny, you're fat, Johnny.
I'm not interested without writing, so I'm interested with the food. Next
Go,
na,
Ma.
oy! Wag na! One step at a time in a backflip!
Chicken noodles. Chicken noodles.
Ay, sarap.
At chicken noodles naman sa inyo.
Hindi.
Chicken
Siomay.
siomay. Noodles. Kuya, next! Next naman po!
Pa-frame mo.
Pa-frame mo din sa'yo.
Eh, why am I here? Let's frame it.
Ano yan? Pili-pili ka lang.
Yeah, random.
Galing yung saktong-sakto.
Galing, saktong-sakto.
Wala.
You just believe what you want to believe.
Right, right. Horoscopes aren't real.
Yeah, it's not real.
Mag-ingat sa pagkain kay Yong. Aboy.
Trouble. Di naman ako nagto-trouble, bay. Di pa ako nakaranas ng trouble, bay. Ayaw ko talaga. Wala akong makuha. Ikaw kaya, no?
Why?
Trouble.
Who's that?
This is mine.
Galaw mo daw kasi yung kamay mo. Para hindi ka matrouble.
Nagkaranas ka na kayo, no?
May negative.
Ba, no? Wala naman makawa. Trouble, bay.
And earning big. Expect to have a successful business and get promotions in jobs. However, relationships for you might be a little risky, but always be courageous in dealing with problems.
Always be courageous.
Malakas yung loob mo palagi.
Ano ka pa? Next year ka pa masasagot, ladies. Kailangan mabago yan.
So when you earn money, can you buy us lunch?
Sure, why
That's what I
not?
said.
Yeah,
If I have,
you will.
it happens.
Ano, isang...
You can't buy love.
6,000 ulit.
What's the point of having all the
Another
money?
6,000.
You can just buy someone to love you.
It's not for
Baka
real.
another 6,000 bill.
Buy something that will make you happy.
6,000
No.
bill.
No.
Diyos ko. Diyos ko po.
Good is the money when you
Diyos ko
don't
po.
have love. You travel alone.
Diyos ko po.
Diyos ko. Grabe yun.
What does risky mean?
Like, it's not stable.
Ganda ba si Christian tsaka si Yong?
No. Di ba yung? Punta tayo.
Why is it?
Tawag ng pagkain dun, no?
You can't have everything, Elise, okay?
Yeah, that's
Choose one. I choose money now.
Pizza, bay.
if you had to choose success or
Pero
love.
masarap naman talaga dun.
Where?
Masarap naman
I
talaga.
will always choose love. I will choose love. I will be a hobo, and I will choose love.
Man, I will make my success.
Kaya
I
matay.
can make love by myself. I can make success by myself.
Ito tayo rin dun.
It's true.
Sarap ng pizza dun.
They look scary, no?
Mahal lang, oh.
Pero masarap pagkain, no?
That's scary.
Right?
Doon na lang sa music, ano. Piano.
Sa kanta-kanta.
Prepared na si Kisses for the day.
Ganda ni Kisses.
Ganda yung shirt. So mean. Kisses, Johnny doesn't find you pretty. Johnny. Oh my god.
John.
Johnny, you're ugly.
Natasha is fat. 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 Natasha is fat like a pig. And he's coughing like an engine. Engine. He's coughing like an engine.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
I'm a little girl. No, I'm a boy.
You're a chubby girl.
No.
You're a chubby girl.
Now yeah, it's like a party. Don't tell to my mom.
Ang cute. Parang ma-imagine mo talaga na totoong tao.
Oo. Hindi na nga siya si Nonong eh.
Stop it.
Siya na si John.
John. I'm John. I'm planking John.
You're not blacking, John.
Yes, this is
You're just
planking
folding
for...
your,
Your stomach
you're
is
just
in
folding
the
your
sofa.
arms.
This is planking for...
No,
Stop it! Stop it!
you're just folding your arms, John.
Stop it! My mom is right. You're evil.
Tita baby.
My mother's name is Tita Baby.
Tita baby's daughter. Ay, son.
Doctor.
Daughter! Because he's a girl. John's a girl.
No, I'm a boy.
You're a monkey girl.
John, prove it.
I can't.
No, no.
I can't.
Why not?
See, you're a girl.
I have to show you something, but I can't.
Lalaki ka ba, John?
Yes.
How?
Naon sa day ka. Naon sa day ka. Nagalaw-gaw. I live in Davao, but I talk like this. In English.
Sagot na sagot.
Hi, naon sa day ka. My favorite dance is Pudot.
Or no?
Sopas.
Wala pa silang
May
mic.
sopas na.
Tayo natin yung sopas. That's my favorite soup, sopas. Soup,
Everything
sopas.
happened so fast.
Oh my God, that was a good joke.
I wish I could
But you're
stop
fat. Your joke is funny. I will tell it to my mom. You know, Mom? You know soup? Everything soup. Hopping soup. Soup, soup. Oh my God.
Kuya Nono, ang galing mo, Marty.
No. I'm not okay.
What are you if you're not okay?
Alien. Johnny is an alien. I'm from Mars.
So you're a Martian.
No,
Then what are you?
I'm Marvin.
Oh
my God.
SpongeBob!
Wait, you said you were
You
John.
look like
and-
Patrick!
You said you were John, and you said again that you're Marvin, and you sound like Patrick. So what are you?
SpongeBob. He's my passion, man.
I'm only one.
I'm only one. I'm only one. May auto-tune. May auto-tune. I'm only one. Iba yung tone. Pusa.
Si Tiger.
Can I not sit
I
here?
love
I feel
you.
very uncomfortable between these two people.
Yeah.
They're like looking at each other, smiling.
Hindi naman nonong lang eh.
Oh, si Ate Jim na tabi kay Kuya Nono.
Would you sit here or there?
I sit here.
No, don't space. There or here, pick one.
That's not Lolo, that's Johnny.
Sit with Johnny.
Johnny Bravo.
Johnny.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Love na love ko yun.
Bravo.
Tag 7 lang.
Bet you didn't know that.
Alam ko yun.
No.
Dati 4 lang yun eh.
Hindi, bet you didn't know.
True.
Favorite mo?
Hindi kasha, hindi ka matanggal.
Makalate!
Hindi matanggal. Hindi matanggal.
Yun yun.
Please?
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Ano sa'yo, Timoy?
Kumusta ng ano, mga ganun.
Wala yung box doon?
Hmm?
Wala yung box?
Yung box. Wala pa.
Nialis?
Sabi mamaya pa daw ako.
Naubusan nga, order pa eh.
Feeling ko hindi. Allow, we should eat now.
May kanin na ba?
Ay, magsasaing na pala ako.
Budget.
Magsasaing pala ako.
Natin na.
Wala.
Wala.
Eh, tapos na yung sorte ko ba? Kinain
Thank
nyo
you.
na.
Mamaya na tayo kumain pag may swerte na lahat.
Magsaing ba ako, Mek?
Huwag nga. Kasi tinan mo.
Eat your own stuff.
Ah, Bilay!
Eat your own. Ours is. And then we don't get to eat it.
Trade.
Kilite.
Because I have noodles with beef and pet chai.
It's chicken.
It's beef.
It's chicken.
I got beef.
But they will give chicken. Because it's here.
Ito. Ate Mai, si Ate Liz meron.
Pagod ako, pagod.
I'm going to check a kiss.
Pagod ako, pagod.
Pagod ka.
Pagod ako!
Sudak ko. Ate, dapat...
Bango! Ay, baho. Just kidding.
Ate, sabi mo sadak. Kulang-kulang sa pag
No, I'm not sadako.
Sadak ko.
No, I'm happy.
Happy ako. No.
Why?
Sa pamilay.
I'm not sad. Happy ako. Corny. Corny mo. Kita mo yung horoscope. Saan?
Asan? Asan yung sayo?
Pieces.
Allah! Kuya, sana ano?
But I don't think that's the lock.
Kimbang.
Kasi
Hindi sinabi.
Gusto ko ano? Gusto ko white horse. Tapos may nakasakay na ano? Na pusa.
Pusa.
Joke lang. Prince Charming. Asan chinelas ko? Wait lang po, kuya. Baliw na sa siya. Ko hindi.
Kasi
Kasi tatawa.
every morning it's hard to get it back.
pieces! Confession mo!
5 minutes ba? Yun na. Ate.
Love you.
Atay.
Beauty queen, no? When it comes to relationships, take one step at a time and do not be in a hurry to get.
Ginagano
Because
ni
it
Kuya
would be
Boy.
risky. Because it would be risky if you will hurry.
Ah.
One lang. May pillow.
No.
Takpan ko yung legs ko.
Wait lang ha.
Ito, may legs niya, may legs.
When it comes to
Conservative
take
ka.
one step. Ano yung take one step at a time? Yan ang hindi ko na.
Isa-isa. Dahan-dahan.
Yung pahinga
Ay,
sa
isang
unan.
babae na.
Hindi. Isang
Henry,
step.
kinuha yung unan.
Dahan-dahan. Pag magmadali.
Kasi totoo yun.
Yung pahinga sa unan.
Conservative ka.
Po.
Ano, hindi kayo
Arte mo.
Bakit? Iyakin kasi.
Ha?